Guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we are gonna share with you delicious and super simple recipe of mushrooms and vegetables stir fry, guys. Sometimes you want to eat something delicious but you don't know what and you are not sure what to cook. So for these type of days, this is a special recipe for you guys. I hope you will try it out and you will let us know what you think about it. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this beautiful recipe, we are gonna need these ingredients. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and start with olive oil. In total, I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons. Then guys, we are gonna need 1 bowl of mushrooms. It is about 150 grams. Then a little bit of parsley, 1 green onion, 2 small tomatoes, 2 green pepper, 1 red pepper, 1 small onion, 2 pieces of medium-sized potatoes, 3 pieces of garlic, and we are coming to our most beloved spices, guys. So for the spices, we are gonna use salt, red sweet pepper, black pepper, and dried vegetables, guys. So let's do it. So guys, let's start cooking. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is I open the fire on the highest level, and then I'm gonna use olive oil. As I told you guys, in total I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons, but for this one I need 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's hot. We are gonna add our potatoes. Guys, I have dried the potatoes. I've chopped them into cubicles and I've dried them with tape. So you need to use that. So guys, I want to mention that before frying, after you've cut them in cubicles, you need to dry them with paper towel, guys. So guys, just keep mixing until they're fried and they're ready to eat. No salt, nothing, no spices, guys. That's very important. So guys, when your potato is fried and you've fried it and it's ready, it means it's time to put the potato aside. And we take another pan. And what we do, we add the second part, so which is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 and 2. When your oil gets hot, we are gonna start adding the onion. So I've chopped the onion into 2 and I've cut them into half circles. When adding, just make sure that you know, break them. After onion, we are gonna add our diced garlic. I used here 3. And then we mix them. Guys, when you fried your garlic with your onion and they turn a little bit gold, it's time for the mushrooms. So we've just diced all of the mushrooms, just like this, into not really thin, medium size. And we add all of the mushrooms. And then we mix them. So guys, we've sauteed well our onion and mushrooms. So what we're gonna do now is we are gonna add our chopped green pepper and chopped red pepper. Then guys, we are gonna add our diced tomatoes. I have here 2. With all the water of tomatoes, you add it and you just mix them. It's also time for our fried potatoes. We add them here. Then guys, we are gonna add our spices. So we've got here salt, red sweet pepper, black pepper and dried vegetables. Just mix them up. If you don't have any of these spices, guys, you're welcome to use any of the spices that you enjoy eating. And just spread it around. And mix them. The vegetables here, like green pepper and red pepper, are not going to be totally cooked. It should be a little bit alive. And at this time, we are closing it. Then, guys, it's time for our green onion and parsley, guys. So if you do not like any of these greens, you can use any type of thing that you want. You can use dill, depending on you. We love green onion and parsley, so we are going to use it. So you just add them all. And so the taste and the smell of the parsley and green onion will be with the vegetables. I'm going to mix them well at this stage. Time to serve, guys. Oh, it smells so good. Look at this beauty. Mushrooms, all sauteed. Veggies. Pepper. Voila, guys. Bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching us. And if you like our videos, guys, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what you think about this recipe. We would be happy to hear from you guys. Wishing you all to have a nice and great evening, guys. Goodbye.